Sustainability is one of those environmental buzzwords that everybody seems to be using these days. But what does it really mean? In the business of home heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, it means developing products that use innovative materials and consume less energy. And for companies like Carrier, who are committed to sustainability, it also means that every heating or cooling product we sell that beats the Department of Energy's minimum efficiency ratings minimizes the impact of our products on the environment. But it doesn't stop there. Sustainability also means adopting and implementing environmentally responsible manufacturing facilities and processes. How can you help? For consumers like you, it means doing your homework to understand the most environmentally friendly products on the market and using them in your homes. At the end of the day, it means everyone is doing their part to make the world a better, greener place. For more information, visit Carrier.com or CarrierGreen.com. Carrier, turn to the experts.